I would like to thank the organizer and for giving us the opportunity to present here. My presentation will focus, I will try to make it short. I'll focus on using open source in education. I will focus my talk today on our experience in using open source. Basically, education is like other sectors, attracted to open source for many reasons, for the security, for the low cost, and for other reasons. It also provides a content for academic staff and as a content for their courses. It also provide a head start for the implementers for in-house development, and it provides reasonable cost for development in-house. Of course, the attractions have drawbacks, which is the no guarantees that the open source provide no guarantees that the certain components on open source will be delivered in time, and sometimes the progress depends on the collaborations of the community. In our experience, we suffer sometimes in using our learning management system Moodle. We waited sometimes and disturb our planning, waiting for components like surveys, like drag and drop, question type, and others. Our focus, we used learning management system in our research. It was started in 2003, 2002 as a research project funded by the European Union and the Arab Open University. When it started in 2002, our proposal was to develop a content for open source softwares and to evaluate the learning management system softwares. It have developed, and we went through building an e-learning platform for that research, which includes owning the open source learning management system and content management system, adopting the systems to within our own environment, and then building the learning objects. The learning management systems in a closure lock contains several components: the repository for learning objects and communications component to allow students to communicate and to allow educators to communicate with their students, and e-competencies, which includes assignments and quizzes, tutoring to allow communication with the students, and other services. This learning management systems integrated with our other systems like the SIS and digital library and other systems, and we build it to ensure quality, to allow mechanism to check on each component of this learning management system for ensuring quality. The Arab Open University is a project, one of the Aj Fund projects for human development in the Gulf region and the Arab countries. It was founded in 1996 by Prince Talal bin Abdulaziz, and headquarter in Kuwait. They have opened 7 branches so far in 7 countries. In Saudi Arabia, they have 6 locations in Riyadh, Dammam, Jeddah, Hay al-Ahsa, and Medina. The Arab Open University currently have more than 30,000 students scattered within the countries. The branches have distributed management. They communicate with the headquarters, with the financials and academics, and they have their own system and their own development. Each branch have their own systems, like SIS, Student Information System, SSS, Student Support Service, and LMS, Learning Management System, e-library, and financial model. The e-library basically is a subscriber service. We have it from the Open University at UK, and integrated with our staff, integrated with our learning management system. So one login, students can log into our learning management system and they can access and search the library. The SIS, Student Information System, are developed in-house based on model. It is as extension of our project I mentioned earlier. The SIS SIS is a registration system that allows students to browse courses and register courses. It contains all information about the grades, transcripts, catalog, everything. And the LMS, as I mentioned, it is Moodle based. It is integrated with our learning management system, SIS. So when the students register in SIS, it automatically they automatically transfer to the LMS. The LMS contains the courses, teachers, assignments, sessions, and the course content. The students also take their online exam. They submit ETMAs on the system. The e-library, as I mentioned, is a repository. It's a subscriber service from the UK, and it's integrated with our system. The student support unit is a way of communication and ensuring the quality, the service quality for the students. We use this is in-house developed system. They mainly provide tracking to ensure quality and provide service to the students for petition, for withdrawal, for any request that's not provided within the SIS. In AOU, Arab Open University, around about 80% of the softwares are in-house developed. As I mentioned, we have a project we have a team of developers, more than 30 IT specialists scattered within the branches. They worked on developing the LMS, the SIS, based on LMS. Well, basically, we have the open source. This is a good experience. I want to elaborate on that more. The SIS built on the LMS. We have the LMS, which is Moodle. We build our SIS on using the same login, same theme, and we added the SIS functionality within the Moodle. So the integration, when the students access LMS or SIS, they don't feel difference. The integration between the three main systems that we have, SIS, LMS, and SSS. Students, they apply to the university through our SIS, apply for admission. When they are admitted, they take an exam called placement test exam, and they can register courses through the SIS. They can browse any courses, browse dates. All these functions are added in-house based on Moodle functionality, and then they can register courses, submit payment, and activate their registration. This is a snapshot of the system, of the SIS system. Basically, you can see this is the theme of Moodle. You don't feel that you are going to a different system. We have added the SIS